Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, welcome all to JP Infotech YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to download and install Python in Windows operating system. Let's go into the video. So initially to download the Python, just go to www.python.org website. This is the official website of Python, and to download just click the menu downloads. So here you can see the option of downloading the latest version for Windows, or if you are using other operating system like Linux or Mac, so you can download from here. Right now we are using Windows, so this is the option where you can download the latest version. The latest version right now is 3.8.5. if you need some other different version other than this, if you are specific with downloading the different version, you can also download it from here by seeing the version names in it and also the release dates. So right now we can download the latest version 3.8.5. so if you click directly this option, you can download it from here, or if you just go and click this download option here, you can see the files details of separate versions. So here if you're using 32-bit, so you can download Windows x86 executable installer, so this option. If you are using 64-bit, you can download Windows x86 64-bit executable installer. So if you're not familiar about which version you're using, just right click the my computer and you can see the bit details here. So here it is use 64-bit operating system, so I'm going to download this x86 64-bit executable installer. Just click this. I'm downloading it from to the desktop. So the file is being downloaded here. It's around 26.6 MB. So the download is completed. So just double click the file and you can run it. An important step here to note is like here you can see once to install the option, you can see add Python 3.2 path. This option is unchecked here. Right now you wanted to check it. This option, this is if you're not check this option, then you cannot run directly from the command prompt, or you wanted to add the path file to the my computer environmental variables. So if you have checked this, the path will automatically set into the environmental variables, so there is no need to add the path manually, so it will be very easy for you. So just check this option and click install now. It takes few more minutes to install. Right now you can see the setup was successful message. So the Python is installed successfully. Just click close button. Now go to command prompt. Now we can check whether the Python is installed or not. So just type Python space -v. So you can see the version Python 3.8.5 is installed. You can also click this Python 3.8, this option, to directly enter into the programming mode. So first, basically we can check with a simple command print hello world. So the hello world is print, and we can know that the Python is installed successfully and it is executed. So this is a way of running the command prompt. So we can see another way, that is using a editor like Notepad. So I'm creating a new text file in the D drive. Just type the command here. I'm also using the same print command. You can type anything here. I'm typing the same hello world here. Now you need to save the file as .py. So I'm just changing the save type as all file. Here I am typing first prog.py. So I'm saving the file as first prog.py. So py is the extension for the Python. So the file is saved here, first prog. This is the file I am just created right now. So now you enter into the command prompt. Now just go to the location D, so where I created this file. Just type Python space firstprog, the file name, okay, firstprog.py. Just click enter. So now you can see the file is executed. The output is given as hello world. So this is the other way of running through an editor like the Notepad or WordPad, etc. You can use it. So we have seen two ways right now, from using command prompt, another is editor. The next version is like we can use IDEs. That will be very similar, very simplified method, and for higher programming language. So that videos will be uploaded soon in this channel. So kindly please subscribe this channel and see the videos. Thank you.